And here I have the Ryobi 20-inch brushless push mower, 40 volts is what I'm about to put in here. The 40-volt battery. This is a 5 amp. So you just slide that in right there. You've also got a kill switch right here you can take out in case your kid's around and you want to make sure it doesn't start up. But I decided to make a video because I've been mowing this whole area right here. This was all long grass. Got a little bit left right here. This is a single blade push mower. You need to extend this for it to even start, but you know, this whole thing flips up, and then you can stand it up on the end and clean it. Very easy to use. Just lock those in right there like that. Okay, and then to start, you're going to pull this handle back and press the button. Let's flip these right over on the side. It does have a bagger that you can attach right here. Single blade right here. I'll probably take it off and sharpen it with an angle grinder. Okay. Goes all the way from 1.5 inches to 4 inches. Here's the adjustment right here. Basically just moves the wheels up. So hold it. I'll just put it back in that position right there. But it also has lights on the front, LED lights. As you can see, they are on right now. You can actually disconnect the wire so it doesn't kill the battery, but I don't think they really take that much power anyway. But anyway, just want to show you how it mows. And it's been mowing this long grass pretty easily. Press the lever down, push the button, and hold. So there you go. I've had this for a few years and have not had a problem with it. Very easy to flip that down and fold it up, and then you flip it on the end and you can hose it off. But it's been a very good mower because you can see it can mow through anything that's really tall. You can even chop through sticks and leaves and different stuff like that. But it's been a great push mower, and it's definitely saved on gas and fuel and oil and stuff like that. Now it will last probably about 35 minutes. I can walk fast, so the battery, you know, just depends on how fast you want to walk and how far or how much you're able to mow. But anyway, battery probably lasts 30 to 40 minutes, and you can get the bigger batteries. This is the 5 amp. You can get the 6 amp, which is more power. But anyway, hope this video helped, and they make a great mower for electric and battery powered. So I can highly recommend this. Definitely check it out.